hazelnut chocolate lemon curd cake. That's the name of the cake. For a 6-inch cake, you need butter 125 gram. You need granulated sugar 200 gram. You need large eggs 3 pieces. You need flour 200 gram. You need milk, liquid milk 140 gram. You need vegetable oil 15 gram. You need cocoa powder 1 tablespoon. You need baking powder 1 teaspoon. You need baking soda 1/8 teaspoon. You need hazelnut flavor. Hazelnut flavor 1/2 teaspoon. Cake preservative, which is optional, you need like 2/1/8 teaspoon. Then you need what we call lemon curd. Lemon curd, you need 1 tablespoon. You need, for this recipe we are doing a 6-inch. Now we have different sizes of cakes. We have 6, we have 8, we have 10, we have 12. In case you want to volume up, let's say you want to do an 8-inch or a 10-inch or a 12-inch, what I advise people is to do volume measurements. That means you measure your 6-inch, you pour water into your 6-inch. You pour that water, let's say you want to do a 10-inch. You pour the water into the 10-inch. So if the 6-inch, for example, is like 3 6-inch that gives you 1 10-inch water, that is what you would do. You just multiply your recipe by 3. Now it's not by, some people will think 12 inches by multiplying 6-inch by 2. No, it doesn't work like that with cake, please. With cake, you do volume measurements. All right? Okay, so we'll go straight to the procedure. The procedure is you start by greasing your pan. You can also line your pan. You mix margarine and sugar into your bowl. You line your pan. You sieve the dry ingredients like your flour, do all that. I'm sure some of us are bakers, and if you're a first-time baker, sieve your flour. That's to prevent some... So into your mixer bowl, you will combine your sugar and butter, cream using your cake beater, so while creaming, make sure your flour, your baking powder, your baking soda, and your cake preservative, if you want it, is added together. So dry ingredients together. Your flour, baking soda, baking powder, your preservative, all together. So butter into your mixer bowl. Now your sugar, we would want you to blend it a bit. Is ever you get caster sugar. They sell caster sugars in some big supermarkets, but sugar from, just the regular Dangote sugar and all that. Blend it a bit. If you look at this very well, you will see it's a bit blended. Can you see that? Okay. So you add that. So your sugar and margarine, you combine in your mixer bowl and you start mixing. While mixing, add vegetable oil. That is after it has creamed. Add your vegetable oil and add your hazelnut flavor.